Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This Navratri season, I have started a video series of makeup tutorial and saree styling. Based on the auspicious colors one must wear this Navratri season 2019 as per Hindu mythology calendar under the name 9 days, 9 colors, 9 looks. As per that, my today's video is for day 2 of Navratri 2019, that is on 30th of September, Sunday. The auspicious color for the day is white. Goddess Durga will be dressed in white. White is the color of peace and purity. She is worshipped in her Brahmacharini incarnation this day. If you haven't watched my video on day 1, orange saree with black smoky winged eyeliner look, please click the link in the description box below. You may watch the same where I also explain the concept of following a color code during Navratri for prosperity and good luck. Getting back to the topic of the day, for day 2 white saree look, I have tried to recreate 1960s inspired makeup. I am quite happy with the results of this look. Now let's get straight into the makeup tutorial to know how I have achieved this look. Starting off with moisturizing by spritzing some rose water. I am using an ice cube and pressing it all over my face. By doing it so, I will be able to cover the open pores on my face, which will give a matte finish for my makeup and prevent oil secretion on my face, so that my makeup will stay for longer duration. Gently wiping off the excess water with a tissue, next step is toning. I am taking very less product in the cotton pad and dabbing it on my face. To maintain the health of the skin, I am applying a layer of vitamin C serum. It also has the anti-aging properties and it's very good for one's skin. Orange color corrector is used for hiding blemishes and dark spots. It may be used wherever it's needed and not all over the face. Now comes the concealer on top of the color corrector to give the face some brightness. Blending it thoroughly to avoid cakey look. Taking some foundation and using it on my face. Using a compact powder, I am setting the base makeup right. To add some color, taking my blush, applying it on my cheeks, tip of my nose and on the top of my eyelids. Taking the same concealer and applying it on my problematic areas, that is under my eyes, around my mouth for smoother texture. The one tip which I'd like to give for the beginners in makeup is blending. Blending is a key for achieving the flawless finish. What you need is very less product and lots of patience for blending. Setting the concealer with some loose powder. I don't need compact powder now because I have already covered my dark spots and problematic areas. What I need is just to set my concealer in place, so loose powder is good enough for this. Now comes the eyeshadow. I am using a shade which is very close to my skin tone and applying it all over my upper eyelids. Using a pink eyeshadow, I am applying it all over my upper eyelids as well as little bit of product on my lower eyelids as well. Blending it thoroughly in circular motions to avoid any harsh lines. Taking some brown eyeshadow, I am using it to deepen my eyes, just using it at the outer corner of my eyelids. Using a brownish pink eyeshadow with mild glitters on it, on the center of my eyelids. It will make my eyes look bigger. This shade is highly pigmented, subtle yet festive. It will suit very well on my white saree look. One must own the shade if you wanna add some glam to your regular eye makeup. All the products which I am using in this tutorial is mentioned in the description box below. Going for a thick eyeliner look and applying the product only to half of the lower eyelids from outer corner till center of the eyeball, not up to the inner corner. You may try and see this trick helps in achieving visibly bigger eyes. Mention in the comment section if you agree. Before using the eyebrow pencil, I am using a spoolie brush to comb the eyebrows to dust off the base makeup product which is settled on my brows. Slowly and steadily drawing my eyebrows to my desired shape using a brown eyebrow pencil. I am going for a thick eyebrows for this look. I am using a bronzing powder here to shape my nose slimmer. I am using it on both the sides of my nose. To contour my face, I am using the same bronzing powder just below my cheekbones. Here comes the lip color to complete the look. Applying generous coats of mascara. This look is all about bigger looking eyes and oil-free face. Here comes my final look, guys. Please subscribe if you like the content of my channel. Like, share and comment if you like this tutorial. I'll see you soon with another color, makeup and saree styling video. Happy Navratri, guys.